come in. Thank you very much. Thanks, everyone. And I can assure you that no one associated with anyone authorized to be in this court has taken any photographs or video footage of you. I want to give you the court's assurance on that. Thanks, everyone. You may be seated. Thank you. At this time, it's my understanding, Mr. Foreperson, that the jury has reached a verdict. Mr. Foreperson, is that correct? Okay. And with that, I just want you folks to know that you all sealed the verdict forms, and so I have with us the verdict forms in an envelope. My staff was instructed to have you put those on seat number 2, just so the record reflects. We have victims' representatives and victims with us utilizing technology. They can hear and see the court right now. My staff has verified all of that. The state of Ohio is present and represented by counsel. Ms. Stefanko is present. So with that, then I would like to have the forms handed to me, please. Thank you very much. At this time, regarding count 15, the jury has found the defendant, Erica Stefanko, guilty of the offense of aggravated murder, signed by all 12, dated the 25th day of November 2020. Count 16, the jury has found the defendant, Erica Stefanko, not guilty of the offense of aggravated murder, signed by all 12, dated the 25th day of November 2020. Count 17, the jurors have found the defendant, Erica Stefanko, guilty of the offense of murder, signed by all 12, dated the 25th day of November 2020. Count 18, the jury has found the defendant, Erica Stefanko, not guilty of the offense of murder. Count 19, the jury has found the defendant, Erica Stefanko, not guilty of the offense of kidnapping. Count 20, the jury has found the defendant, Erica Stefanko, not guilty of the offense of aggravated robbery, signed by all 12 and dated the 25th day of November 2020. Counsel, do you wish to view the verdict forms on behalf of the state of Ohio?
Yes, Your Honor.
Attorney O'Brien? All right, if you folks then would stand. Behind that glass there, very good, you see that? Count 15.
Yes, Your Honor.
Count 16. Count 17. Count 18. Count 19. Count 20.
Thank you, Judge.
Thanks. You may be seated. Does the state wish to have the jurors polled?
No, Judge, thank you.
Attorney O'Brien, do you wish to have the jurors polled?
Please, Your Honor.
All right. Ladies and gentlemen, I will just ask if these are your verdicts. You will be just identified as your juror number. I will ask you at this time if count 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, and 20 are your verdicts. Juror number 1, is this your verdict?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 2?
Yes.
Juror number 3?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 4?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 5?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 6?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 7?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 8?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 9?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 10?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 11?
Yes, it is.
Juror number 12?
Yes, it is.
All right, thank you so much. With that then, ladies and gentlemen, here's what will happen just so that you understand the protocol procedurally right now. Number 1, we thank you for your service. My staff right now is going to escort you into Judge McLaughlin's room, and I will be with you shortly. We'll make certain that you are released from the building. We very much appreciate your service at this time. I will tell you also at this time, although no one will approach you until I give authorization, but I will tell you, you are free now to discuss this case with anyone that you choose, although you are not required to do so at all whatsoever. That is your choice. But if you would please wait, my staff will escort you. We'll make sure that you're safe, and I'll be with you in just a few minutes. Thank you very much. I'll see you soon. Thank you.
All rise.
Ms. Kiefer, would you bring me my, all right, thanks everyone. You may be seated. Ms. Stefanko, the jury has found you guilty of the charges as articulated on the record. The court hereby finds you guilty of count 15 in accordance with the jurors' findings. Not guilty at this time on count 16, guilty, count 17, not guilty, count 18, not guilty, count 19, not guilty, count 20. Your bond is revoked. We will set this matter for sentencing. Is there anything that the state of Ohio would like to put on the record at this time before we set a sentencing date?
No, Judge, thank you.
Okay. Anything, Attorney O'Brien?
Not at this time, Judge.
All right, thank you. As soon as I have a date to provide to you folks, and again, I do want to note for the record that the victim and victim's representatives were all present, and I do currently have them with me, though. Attorney Adele, if you could just I note that I have Attorney Adele with us. GC is present. Ms. Dennis is present. And I believe the victim decedent's mother is present as well. I have Monday, January 11th available at 2 p.m. for sentencing. I'm sorry, Attorney O'Brien, is that acceptable to you?
Yes, Your Honor.
All right.
You said January 11th.
Yes, sir. January 11th at 2 p.m. Attorney LaPrenzi, is that acceptable to you?
Yes, Judge.
Okay. All right,
Yes,
thank you
the
very
state's
much. So with that then, the court will be in recess. What I'll do is my staff will make certain that the verdict forms are filed immediately. And I thank you for all of your work. The court is now in recess. Thank you.
You plan on talking to the jury?
I'm sorry?
Do you plan on talking to the jury at all?
No.
We normally do, but
I know that.
I know I'm just circumstances.
The judge is going over there to talk to him.
Yeah, and it's Thanksgiving, and obviously this was.
If you talk to him, fine, I'll get your feedback later on.